Adornment. Meaning. Adornment refers to something used to beautify or decorate a person, place, or thing. It can be an item or accessory that enhances appearance. Definition. Adornment is a noun that refers to the act of decorating or something used for decoration, such as jewelry, clothing, or other decorative items. Examples in sentences. 1. The bride wore a beautiful headpiece as an adornment to her dress. Here, adornment refers to the decorative headpiece that enhances the beauty of the bride's dress. 2. The house had several adornments, including vases and sculptures. In this sentence, adornments refers to the decorative items that enhance the house's appearance. Usage. Adornment is commonly used when talking about items or accessories that are added to enhance the aesthetic appeal of something.
English practice.